want to flex my love. I want to impress. And I want to carry my love to a place she loves.